What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Feel like I say this every time, but yeah, I haven't held the camera in a minute, but we're back. Just a few things I want to throw on today, a few little mods. Essentially, I'll just tell you guys, we're waiting on coilovers. I can't do anything with the car until I get the coilovers, and I was told they were going to be a month, but because the raw materials and everything are so hard to find and expensive now, they're another month out, but not too much in a hurry. It's all good. So we're going to get I have mud flaps, and I have just a little bit of engine dress up we can throw on today. But first, haven't really washed the car in a minute, so we're just going to take the pressure washer and clean this thing up real quick. Alright, so first thing I have is this Grimmspeed alternator cover. Just one dress-up piece. I saw this on Marketplace, stainless. I've never seen a stainless one before, so I'm like, screw it. So we're going to get this thing on. I'll show you guys where it goes, and let's do it. So that piece will replace this black piece here. So this comes off, it's just one bolt, and then it's kind of like a little kind of clip plunger kind of thing right here. And this will come off, and then we can bolt the Grimmspeed one on. I swear, this engine dress-up stuff is just game changer. It looks so good. So much better. If only the rest of the engine bay was clean and we had the other dress-up parts, I mean, it's gonna look sick. That's the only stainless steel piece I can find. So I think this front piece and then the fender shrouds, they're just gonna be like wrinkle red or something like that. And I think it'll match like the intake manifold and the battery and all that kind of stuff. So I know it's kind of sunny out right now, but if you can see, we got blue Rally Armor mud flaps on here right now. And with the way we're going with the car, the blue just wasn't gonna go. So I do have some red ones inside. They are slightly used, so I'm just going to clean them up. And then these blue ones we're going to put on the neighbor's plasma blue STi. So I think it's going to look sick. Let me show you guys the red ones, and we'll get them cleaned up. So as much as I wish we had some prismatic powder or center coat in this box, closest thing I got are some mud flaps. Used ones at that, but they're going to work. So I already have, obviously, all the mounting hardware on the car, so I'm just going to pull these off, and then we'll just simply exchange out the mud flaps, blue for red, and then these we'll throw onto the neighbor's car, and that way he'll have a set of mud flaps as well. Alright, just took some tire foam to mud flaps, and now they're nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead and take the blue ones off the car. We'll get these red ones swapped on, and then go ahead and throw the blue ones on the STi right over there. Alright, new mud flaps are on. Looks way better with the red. Blue just really didn't match anything on this car. So, yeah, definitely prefer the red. Looks way better. Now we just got to go throw the blue ones on the neighbor's car. I think we're going to do that another day because he's got to work tonight. So, yeah, that's really all I have for this video. Like I said, we're still waiting on parts. Coilovers are like probably another 3-4 weeks out. So, yeah, just waiting. Sorry for all the delays, but we're going to get there. This car's going to be sick. So, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And till then, peace out. See you later.